Yeah, man. So like I said, man, I'm checking in with another video. I'm gonna be trying to bring y'all the best content that I can, man. That's what it's gonna be, man. And
the same way if we see.
Y'all excuse me, I had to turn that radio down. So yeah, man, I'm gonna bring y'all live and uncut car channel, coming to you straight from the channel. You know what I'm saying? If you sub to the channel, you're part of the family, and I want you to go ahead and hit the comment section and let me know that you joined the family. You know what I'm saying? And tell me in the comment section what you'd like to see. You know, what kind of car. Like my next car I want to get a video on is that new BMW 760. I just ain't been able to. I gotta get a little bit of time to get to the what you call it, and to the dealership and get a video. But I've been out of transportation, man, and I ain't been able to get nothing done, no content done, or nothing. Just been going through a series of stuff, you know. So I ain't been able to drop nothing. So I apologize for that, man. And this video is gonna be probably mostly a whole lot of talking, you know what I'm saying? But today, man, we riding a new Ford Ranger. Well, it's new to me, new Ford Ranger. This is inside of, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna do an upcoming video on it at some point in time. Let's see what kind of truck it is. I know you all better than Ford, but we're riding in the Ford today. Last couple videos that we've been watching with me, I was filming with the Tahoe, but the Tahoe done got towed up, man. The Tahoe, I took the Tahoe to Virginia, and I was taking some furniture to Virginia, and got to the hills up there, man, and they just quit running on me. It was end up. I guess the transmission gonna handle the hills down through there, you know. So I've been having a whole lot of car trouble, and then I should have been blogging last month. I bought a Chevy, not a Chevy. I bought, it was a Chevy 1500, but it was a 94. I thought I was getting a steal on it, and I cashed out on it. It was real cheap. You know what I'm saying? It ran for about 2 weeks. I should have blogged that, but I didn't blog it. I've been just trying to get myself together, and wouldn't pick up a camera. Sometimes, you know, you get discouraged and stuff like that when you're going through a bunch of things, man. So I guess hopefully I'll be back vlogging again. More anyway. So today we just riding around and talking, man. You know what I'm saying? Riding around looking for me a lick, find me a lick, looking for me a come up. You know what I'm talking about? Looking for a car to vlog. But today it's raining, it's wet out here today. Man, if y'all want to see that 760 car I'm talking about, I sure soon a whole lot of channels gonna be bringing that up, man. That bring to the channel. But y'all go check out CJ on 32s. I follow him pretty much, man, and he's got a car up there. He just put some 26s up there on that car, man, and the car is dope, man. You need to go check it out, man. I think the car is fully loaded and so forth. And And yeah, man, going up there, man. I ain't been able to get no video yet, but I got to get a video of that car I'm bringing up there, man. We'll go up there. CJ and 32, man, he got that car up there. What's that do, Lee? Yeah, man. Hey everybody, welcome to Custom Cars TV. I'm Lee, we back with another video. If you like cars and you ever love cars, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment. I'll be bringing more.